Welcome to my channel. Orbi AX6000 Setup. 1. Download the Orbi app from orbi-app.com and launch it. The first time you launch the app, you are asked to create a Netgear account. 2. After you log in, tap Get Started. 3. Tap Enable Camera and Scan. Scan the QR code on your Orbi router's sleeve or base, and tap Continue. 4. Select your product and the number of Orbi satellites in your system, then tap Continue. 5. Restart your modem. Locate your modem and tap Continue. Unplug your modem and tap Continue. Plug your modem back in and wait for its lights to stabilize, then tap Continue. 6. Connect your Orbi Wi-Fi system. Connect your Orbi router's yellow Internet port to your modem's Ethernet port using the included Ethernet cable. Plug your Orbi router into an outlet using the supplied power adapter. Wait for your Orbi router to start up. Your Orbi router's ring LED pulses white during startup and then becomes solid white. This can take up to 5 minutes. 7. Return to the Orbi app and tap Continue. A progress bar displays while your Orbi router is starting up. 8. Connect to your Orbi router's default Wi-Fi. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your mobile device. Connect to your Orbi's default Wi-Fi SSID, which is found on your Orbi router's product label. 9. Choose your Orbi Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password, then tap Next. 10. Choose your Orbi router's admin password, then tap Next. 11. Your Orbi router checks to see if your firmware is up to date. This can take up to 5 minutes. 12. If new firmware is found, tap Update to install it. 13. Tap Next. 14. Place your Orbi satellites in their permanent locations. Your Orbi Wi-Fi system is now set up.